What's up, y'all? It's Landon Grubbs back with another video with Laced Up LLC. Today we're working with a pair of Kyrie 6s, so we're going to clean them up and see what we can do about them. Here I just filled them up with shoe treats, like the toe box pop out a little bit, so I'm not pushing down on air when I'm cleaning them. Now I'm using an electric scrub brush, which is actually helpful for a lot of shoes. These were just had dirt and whatnot in the material, so that scrub brush was able to dig them out. Now, after drying off the shoe, we're going to take the insole out and clean the inside of the shoe. You know, you can't be playing basketball with some musty feet and some musty kicks on them, right? So, got to get all that odor out and dirt, debris, grass, whatever from playing outside. Got to get all that out. Now we're going to go back in with the scrub brush. We're going to try to get whatever stains and surface dirt out of the midsole and the outsole. Now, after doing all that, we're wiping down the outsole and the midsole with acetone just to get whatever was stuck on there, deep stains that I couldn't get out with the scrub brush. But now we're going to use the scissors to cut whatever loose threads off without having to use a lighter. Again, just getting whatever loose threads we can in lint. We're using the lint shaper. Now, to effectively clean the outsole where people's feet are, we're going to use the lint shaver to get whatever we can up off the top, and then we're going to use the scrub brush to get deep into those materials. Now for cleaning laces, literally just put them in the solution with the water, put them between your hands, scrub them. These were insanely dirty, just brownish water. Most people don't think to clean their laces, they do get dirty, especially colored laces where you can't see the dirt. But you just drain them onto the towel, wring them out, keep doing that process until the water's clear. And after using the towel to wring out the rest of that soap and water, the laces usually get frayed, so I use a lighter going all the way down the laces to get all the fraying out. Now that white bag that I'm using is a sneaker laundry bag that I got off of Amazon. It was maybe $12 for 4 bags. Sneakers are safe to go into the laundry as long as the temperature of the water is on cold and the spin is, whatever cycle. It's a regular cycle. I just wanted to get whatever else I could out of the shoes since they have been heavily worn. But now, I'm moving my fingers back and forth on that nubuck. Nubuck tends to get stiff when water is applied to it, just like Suede. So I'm going to apply some mink oil to bring that color back and bring life back to that nubuck. Here now I'm using a wire brush to kind of just reset that suede to make it softer than it was before. And now here I'm going to go back in with the wire brush to try to get whatever stains that would not come out with acetone or just regular cleaning out of the midsole and the outsole. And now I want to thank y'all for watching another episode of Laced Up LLC. If you have any questions, hit me in the comment section below. I have all my social medias and my emails linked in the description down below. If you want a restoration, hit me there and I can get you a quote in no time. Peace.